Which king was also known as Rajasimha? A. Mahendravarman I. B. Nandivarman II. C. Narsinghavarman I. D. Narsinghavarman II. The correct answer is D. Narsinghavarman II. The Wahhabi rebellion is associated with which city? A. Chota Nagpur. B. Lucknow. C. Peshwa. D. Deccan. The correct answer is B. Lucknow. What does the Tao Te Ching serve as? A. A collection of religious hymns. B. A guide to the conduct of life. C. A historical record of ancient China. D. A book of Zoroastrian laws. The correct answer is B. A guide to the conduct of life. After gaining control of the Gangetic plain, where did Chandragupta focus his attention? A. Central India. B. South India. C. East Asia. D. Northwest. The correct answer is D. Northwest. What percentage of the produce did the government typically fix as demand under the Ryotwari system? A. 60% to 70%. B. 10% to 20%. C. 25% to 35%. D. 45% to 55%. The correct answer is D. 45% to 55%. What significant event is the Battle of Takkolam? A. A victory for the Pallavas. B. A battle between the Cholas and Rashtrakutas. C. A battle between the Pallavas and Rashtrakutas. D. A naval battle. The correct answer is B. A battle between the Cholas and Rashtrakutas. What characteristics describe Renaissance paintings and sculptures as created by artists like Michelangelo? A. Stylized and two-dimensional. B. Abstract and minimalist. C. Unrealistic and flat. D. Realistic and naturalistic. The correct answer is D. Realistic and naturalistic. What was the main responsibility of the Rajan during the Rigvedic period? A. Leading religious ceremonies. B. Administering taxes. C. Writing Vedic hymns. D. Protecting his tribe. The correct answer is D. Protecting his tribe. What were lesser nobles who received fiefs from greater nobles called? A. Viscounts or barons. B. Earls or dukes. C. Monarchs or emperors. D. Knights or counts. The correct answer is A. Viscounts or barons. What new form of construction emerged during the Vijayanagara epoch? A. Individual shrines. B. Underground temples. C. Temple complex. D. Fortified palaces. The correct answer is C. Temple complex. What was a consequence for weavers who previously had an independent livelihood? A. They received government subsidies. B. They started exporting their goods. C. They were thrown out of employment. D. They found new employment in factories. The correct answer is C. They were thrown out of employment. What action was necessary to suppress the unrest that led to the Deccan Agriculturists Relief Act? A. Negotiation by landlords. B. Intervention by the army. C. Diplomatic talks. D. Formation of peasant unions. The correct answer is B. Intervention by the army. Which university did M.C. Raja graduate from? A. Annamalai University. B. Madras Christian College. C. Loyola College, Chennai. D. Presidency College, University of Madras. The correct answer is D. Presidency College, University of Madras. The first factory of the Dutch was founded in which city? A. Goa. B. Tranquebar. C. Surat. D. Cochin. The correct answer is C. Surat. What is the specific page number referenced in the file name? A. 23. B. 15. C. 81. D. 02. The correct answer is C. 1981. What distracted Chiang Kai-shek's campaign against the communists? A. Insufficient military supplies from the USA. B. Constant threat from Japan and warlords. C. Constant threat from warlords and Russia. D. Economic instability and peasant revolts. The correct answer is B. Constant threat from Japan and warlords. When did the tool-making tradition spread into various parts of the world from India? A. Around 10,000 years ago. B. Around 60,000 years ago. C. Around 2,000 years ago. D. Around 250,000 years ago. The correct answer is B. Around 60,000 years ago. What type of inscriptions were discovered in Pulimankombai in 2006? A. Ship motif pottery inscriptions. B. Prakrit language inscriptions. C. Tamil Brahmi script hero stone inscriptions. D. Sanskrit inscriptions. The correct answer is C. Tamil Brahmi script hero stone inscriptions. Which period is described as the enterprising period? A. Mauryan. B. Vijayanagar. C. Chola. D. Gupta. The correct answer is B. Vijayanagar. According to the riddle, what can help you to talk, see, hear, write, and read? A. Communication. B. Sound. C. Light. D. Electricity. The correct answer is A. Communication. With whose consultation did Vishwanatha Naikar institute the Palyakrar system? A. His advisor. B. His commander. C. His minister. D. His general. The correct answer is C. His minister. In which war did Sundar Pandyan defeat Someshwara? A. Furcoat. B. Kannanur. C. Kadlur. D. Kanchipuram. The correct answer is B. Kannanur. Besides UNICEF, which other organization is best known among those funded by member countries? A. World Bank. B. IBRD. C. IMF. D. UNDP. The correct answer is D. UNDP. What was the name of Muhammad's family? A. Saracens. B. Umayyads. C. Mughals. D. Abbasids. The correct answer is B. Umayyads. What factors led to the general suffering and poverty of the people? A. Internal conflicts and wars. B. Overburdening with taxation and famines. C. Lack of education and resources. D. External invasions and trade deficits. The correct answer is B. Overburdening with taxation and famines. In what year did James Todd list the Royal Rajput clans? A. 1789. Born in 1800. Circa 1857. D. 1829. The correct answer is D. 1829. Who controlled the Mughal police system when the East India Company took over the Diwani? A. Faujdars. B. Public Service Commission. C. British officers. D. Secretary of State. The correct answer is A. Faujdars. In what language was Mahavamsa composed? A. Prakrit. B. Tamil. C. Pali. D. Sanskrit. The correct answer is C. Pali. Underscore was the ambassador of Seleucus Nicator. A. Ptolemy. B. Kautilya. C. Megasthenes. D. Xerxes. The correct answer is C. Megasthenes. Who was referred to for settling the dispute over the discovered territories? A. Amerigo Vespucci. B. Queen Isabella. C. Pope Alexander VI. D. King Ferdinand. The correct answer is C. Pope Alexander VI. How did you score?